Hi, my name is Kai from Navigo, and in this video we're sending out our greetings to all games industry friends in the UK, especially those coming to the Develop conference in Brighton. We're going to be there too to show you guys this, our game design tool Articy Draft. So you may be watching this video because you met us at the conference and we gave you this link, or you just found it somewhere on the interwebs. Either way, thank you guys for watching. If you want to meet my colleague Jan or myself at the Develop conference, just shoot us an email to event@navigo.com and we'll schedule something. Alright, so what is Articy Draft? Articy Draft is a collaborative game design tool. So you and your team can use this visual environment here to turn your fragmented ideas into a coherent game vision. The focus is on narrative-driven games. So anything with a branching story structure and lots of player decisions, like in RPGs or adventure games. But there are also some more general features in there for all sorts of genres, like a database of game objects, for example. All your characters, items, vehicles, weapons, and so on. A location sketching tool, and a document and screenplay editor, and many more. So let me take you on a quick tour. I won't go into detail on any of this, but I hope this will give you an overview. One of the central features for narrative structures, but also for things like skill trees, tech trees, and so on, is our flow editor. The cool thing about it that sets it apart is its hierarchical structure. It's a nested flowchart where each node can contain an inner flowchart. So you can start like this on a rather high level and then break it down more and more until you get to something like this, where each node represents a single dialogue line. This example here makes heavy use of scripting for story conditions, and we're using a color code to highlight nodes that have a positive or negative impact on the relation between the two characters. To test drive your story logic, you can start an interactive presentation at any time. We're now playing through the flowchart, and the scripting and logic is all simulated by Articy Draft. This saves you valuable time in iterations within Articy Draft before everything gets exported into your game engine. The speaking characters in this conversation are indicating that there is something like a database of characters. Our entity system lets you define your own templates for characters, items, weapons, vehicles, and so on, and then populate your database. Creating a character template, for example, is as easy as this. Just drag and drop fields onto this sheet here, invincible, click apply, and the updated template gets sent to all the characters in the database. By creating those templates, you're providing a very structured way of entering data, including automated validation. Another really cool feature in Articy Draft is the integrated location sketching tool. So let's have a look at Brighton. This is obviously how we all remember Brighton looks like. And what this is essentially a layer-based 2D sketching tool. So here we have a background image, and then we have a bit of concept art pinned on the map. We have zones here, and the zones and everything vector-based is essentially still iteration friendly, so you can always go back and change things. And I think down here we have a quite crowded area with two characters hanging around, an item here, a link to another location, and some drill points and water veins. And adding new shapes to this is really easy. Just select a drawing tool from up here, draw your shape, put a label on it, and there you go. So you can really use this as a communication tool between you and your design team or in meetings, just to move things around and quickly get to a consistent vision and get everybody on the same page. And that's it to wrap it up. So thank you guys again for watching. If you're interested in getting a personal demo or if you need some more information, please feel free to just reach out to us. Email us at event@navigo.com if you want to meet us at the Develop conference in Brighton, or reach out to us on any other channel if you have any other questions or would like to schedule something like a Skype demo, for example. Thank you once again, and have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.